Welcome to Homework Lib.
To find the length of the arc, we can use an arc length formula, which says that the central angle, pi over 3, out of the full angle of a circle, which would be 2 pi radians, we want that portion, pi over 3 out of the 2 pi, of the circumference of the circle to find its arc length from J to H. And circumference is 2 pi r, which the radius is 6. What happens here is the 2 pi's will cancel, and so we really have pi over 3 times 6, which is 6 pi over 3, and 6 over 3 is 2, so this is 2 pi. That's your answer. In the second one, we have a point of tangency at B, which makes this a right triangle, which means we can use the Pythagorean theorem. So we have one leg is x minus 2 squared, another leg, because we've got a right angle at the point of tangency, the other leg is BC, which is 2x minus 9 squared, equals the hypotenuse, which would be x minus 2 plus 1, or x minus 1 squared. Multiply these out, either write it as x minus 2 times x minus 2, or you can square the first term, multiply and double, so that would be minus 4x plus 4. Square, multiply and double, square. Or just write them out twice, FOIL, whatever, process, distribute, whatever makes sense to you. But x minus 2 squared is the same thing as x squared minus 4x plus 4. Do this again. The 2x minus 9 squared is the same thing as 4x squared minus 36x plus 81. And x minus 1 squared is the same thing as x squared minus 2x plus 1. A lot happening here. Let's simplify the left-hand side. X squared and a 4x squared is 5x squared. Negative 4x and a negative 30x combined to negative 40x. 4 and 81 combined to 85. This is going to be a quadratic, so let's set the one side to 0. Let's make the right side 0 by subtracting x squared to both sides. We have 4x squared, adding 2x to both sides, so it's minus 38x, and subtracting 1 to both sides, so it's plus 84. There's a variety of ways that you could solve this, including the quadratic formula. You could factor this, you could complete the square. I'm going to graph, just for simplicity. 4x squared, 4x squared minus 38x plus 84. Where it crosses the x-axis are solutions 3.5 and 6. 3.5 is not an option, and that's because if you substituted 3.5 in, it is algebraically a solution, but it's not practically a solution because this would be 7 minus 9. We'd have a length of negative 2, which doesn't make sense. So 6 is our only viable answer. Hope that's helpful. Good luck.